a new channel on YouTube, and today we're making rainbow clear colored slime. So this is what you'll need. You'll need 3 bowls for mixing, 2 spoons, clear glue, a container to keep them in when you're done, food coloring, water, and some borax, and a placemat. So this is what you'll first do. You take your spoon and your borax, and what you do is you're gonna put your whole spoon into the borax and just use this tab. Oh, it's okay if you spill it. Get the tab, pull it there, and then get the borax and put it into the water and then mix until dissolved. Then next step, you take the clear glue in your first bowl, and then you open it and pour as much as you want into here. And this is perfect for slime. We've got slime drips, it's clear glue on it. You've got slime, like perfect slime drips. It's amazing for it. And that's from Indigo. So go on to Indigo online and buy the glue today because it's perfect and you'll love it. It's perfect for slime, not that sticky. It just washes off your hands right from water. So let's just keep going with the slime. Next, when that is done, I'm just gonna mix it a bit more. Then take your color that you're gonna start with. I'm starting with green. You're gonna take it and open it. Put a few drops in. So you'll start with 2. You might get a few little dots, but that's okay. Next, you take your other spoon and mix the color into it. And if it's not the right color, you can add some more. As you can see, this is a really bright green color that I have. So if you get this exact green, then 2 is at least enough, because if they're mixed together, it's gonna overpower, get too bright. So when that's done, then when that is done, this is what you're gonna do next. Take the borax, and when it's all dissolved, take the spoon and put 1 spoonful into it and then mix, and then keep going. And as you can see, it's starting to get more slime-like, and it'll start getting really thick like it is here. But if it's still super like gooey, then you take some more, do that same step until it's not sticking to the sides of the bowl, and then see, but keep going because it's not done yet. It has to be perfect to be able to be done. And then I'll see you guys when it, well, I'm just gonna keep going until it's perfect, because it's not now, so it's not perfect. It needs more. If it's not perfect and it's not getting any better, you can put 2 spoonfuls, but just be aware that it might ruin your slime, but I'm just gonna give it a try. Just mix it fast, and once it's not sticking to the edges of the bowl like it's not supposed to be, and then it will be perfect, then you can move on to your other 2 slimes. But for me, I'm gonna keep adding until it is done. Oh, there's some glue on the edges. Oh, I got it on me. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands. Hey guys, it's me again. I am back, and this is what it looks like now. It's all good, perfect. Oh, a little sticky at the bottom. You can add any like mix-ins that you want, but I'm just gonna keep it clear. You can add glitter, anything to it, so it's like a real rainbow. If you don't like the color, then you can add another drop of food coloring to it, but this is a perfect color. This is a really lime green in the bowl, but here it's like a sunny, greeny, vibrant neon yellow, yellowy green, and that's perfect. So I'm just gonna take out some more, add some slime. That's what happens when you add that. So I'm gonna take some more. And when this is all done, I'll be back to you. So, bye guys. Hey guys, I'm back, and it's all out of the bowl, as you can see here. And now that it is out, it's perfect, not that stretchy though, but yours could be. You just stretch it slowly and it should stretch. I'm actually stretching it. as you can see, it's longer. I'm just swirl it down. It's a perfect neon color, kind of like the color of my cup, or that, which is perfect, or like the green glob on there, or this on the packaging. If you can see that, the green, it's more of like that color. So which is perfect. It's perfect consistency, not sticky at all. So now I'm gonna let it sit right over here by the glue bottle and let it sit and try to get some of the bubbles out. Now I'm gonna move into the next slime in the next container, which is, let's see which color I get next. Ooh, purple, which is not my favorite color. I would prefer probably this green or the pink slime maybe, but we're gonna repeat that process. Oh, the cap came off, I don't want that. Okay, put the glue in. The more glue, the more slime you get. So this is gonna be a pretty big slime. Don't know if it's all gonna fit in here. Might need a bigger container, but squeeze it on. This is actually the first video. This is the first video of my series of slime. I have other series that I'm gonna do. Okay, now this is how much you should add if you have this. Just about to like the quarter, like the middle of the streak is how much you should add. Then food coloring. Start with that. That should be good. Now take the same spoon and just keep mixing. It's a pretty purple color, which I'm gonna keep mixing up until all the streaks are gone. See, it's getting better. It's really see-through. This purple is very, very see-through. So now that the perfect purple slime, well, glue is all mixed, I can start adding the borax, which we want now. So let's start with 1 teaspoon, and it's getting better. And same again, when this is all done, then I'll be back and we'll just put these two slimes together. See how they look. Look at how nicely it stretches now that it's been sitting. Swirl it down, put it back over, and a little bubble in there. It's perfect. And I'll be back when the slime is done. So bye guys. Hey guys, it's me again. I'm back and I made the purple slime. It's perfect, just like the green. And as you can see, I took another bowl with lids and I just decided to layer them. So we have the blue left. Well, not pink because I forgot that the pink is done. So we got blue instead. So let's make the blue slime now. Same steps as before. Oh, farts a bit. Farting a lot.
Oops, excuse me.
That should be good. Oh, I don't got much left. I'll probably use it up on the next video. I'll get some glue hanging off. It'll dry, but it's fine. Okay, now let's put in the blue dye. Oh, I'm just gonna set that off to the side. Okay, I'll start with 2 drops. 1 drop and 2 drop. Okay, let's try it. Okay, is this the missing spoon or is this? I don't know. I'll put that in the water. Yeah, I had no idea. Oh, it got all over the spoon. Whoa, it's like the perfect shade of blue. This will go great with the 2 others. I wish I had the pink one so I can do another one because not much glue left, so. But I don't have another one of these blue balls. But wow, it's like a nice deep ocean blue, which is perfect. It's not exactly a sky blue, but it's really darker than a sky blue. Yes. Baby blue, more of like a really cool ocean see-through blue. This is like an ocean cup. Okay, now that all the colors is mixed, I'm gonna add in the activator, which is called activator because it activates the slime into slime. So 2 teaspoons in. Then, so you see it looks super duper sticky. Because it is, because it's glue, not slime yet. Hear that? Okay, so I'll be back when it's done again, show you how I put it in. Okay, so see you guys later. Oh, I just got dye on the purple slime. Okay, bye guys. Hey guys, and welcome back one last time. And today, look at this blue slime that I just made. It's finished. Stretch it out super duper slowly and should be able to stretch. The more slowly, the better it stretches. See, it's stretching pretty long. It's starting to break a bit, but arm length stretch. Oh, some fell out. Then just put it back together, and it's a really deep blue. Oh, breaks easily too. So that's why you need to stretch it slowly. See that? So just put it down and go like. Can you hear that, guys? If this is the perfect consistency of slime that you would regularly want. So I'm just gonna put it into the bowl here. There's a whole bunch of bubbles on the purple. And then we're gonna mix them all together. Oh, just need to really stretch it. And just put it all around. Ugh. Okay, it's pretty good. Okay, it made it. It made it, finally. And as you can see, it's very pretty. It's like a spider. It's really pretty on the sides, but on the top, it's like ocean. Bottom, it's really lime green. Okay, so now let's make a rainbow slime. Okay, I'm taking it out of the bowl. Oh, look at that pattern. And you can just, oh, it's a lot of slime, and you just twist it and play with it, and you have your own rainbow slime. Set it back in its container. Get it. That's the rainbow slime today. And on next episode, I might do Kids in Charge for 24 hours, maybe. I can do whatever I want for 24 hours. I can read, watch TV for the whole day, eat snacks, eat cake, watch TV, a whole bunch of different stuff. And this is the rainbow slime that you can make at home with your parents, or you could just make it like I did. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and next video I hope you like too. Okay, bye guys, see you in the next video. And don't forget to hit the like button, hit the bell button, and give me a huge subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. It's called, if you forgot, it's called Rainbow Island, which has my name in it, Isla, I-S-L-A, it's an island. And thank you today for watching the Rainbow-tastic, is what I like to call it, marble slime video. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you won't miss any of our future videos. Bye!